First morning. Bacon, egg, and hash brown, and barbecue sauce, because barbecue is most of the time better than tomato. You trying to eat the flies? Just put the ornaments in the new disco bus. The only thing we have to do is put a new stereo in, so we're going to take it from the old farm car, which we named Effie, and this one is now the disco bus. Don't mind me taking a piss, but this is the view from the toilet. Moving it out of because all of that green stuff is like prickly bushes, so it fucking hurts. That looks so angry. Now we're in my full outfit, which I'm too tall. Well, it's not the best angle anyway. But we've got our pants on. I've got really long socks that come up to like up here, and the jersey, which I really love the color of the jersey. It's my favorite pattern that I've ever had. So it's day 2. I'm in my gear again. It's like 9 in the morning. So no real big sleep-ins. That's probably gonna be tomorrow because we're all getting really drunk tonight, apparently. So that'll be lovely to wake up in the morning and want to die. Now it's time to go for a ride. And the thing that like sucks the most is that I have to wear these under my goggles because I don't have contacts and I wouldn't be able to see without my glasses. So luckily the goggles that I have for my bike just fit around my glasses, so it kind of actually works. They do get like pushed up against my face more than I'd like, but if I don't have mascara on, it's not a problem. The problem I always have, which is why they sit so low down, is because when I put mascara on, my eyelashes touch the tucked inside of the glasses, so I can't wear them up really high, but I'm wearing no makeup, so they can go up as high as they need to. So we just had one of the riders that are here fell off his bike and he's really hurt his hip, so we've called for the ambulance and he's actually getting airlifted out, well, helicoptered to a hospital, so that's not fun.
Turned up, I'll go and catch it.
Oh my god. Kill it, Aiden. Kill it. Kill it. Okay. Kill it. Not Arlo. I said kill it. Kill the stick. Kill Arlo. Arlo, no.
Look how shit these are, but they still work. Look, that's not even good.
life. Too easy, mate. Too easy. Sun setting over there somewhere. What a fucking day.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Disco Flight. We'll be taking off shortly. We're just waiting for Nick to fasten his seatbelt. If you have a look in front of you, behind the seat in front of you, there is a spew bag. They all have been cleaned and recycled. Thank you. The window's down.
That's not what you want to fucking
Suck it.
hear.
And just wait and see if we get a...
Kettle's boiled. So, I'm trying not to trip over here. It's now day 3, which is Sunday. I had a pretty good sleep last night. It's probably the best sleep that I had because I have like 4 blankets on top of me because it's really fucking cold. But yeah, we last night sort of screwed the paddock basher, the disco bus. So it kind of like overheats now because the hoses are like kind of fucking old. So can't really drive that anymore. So just riding for today, I think. So it's probably a bit hard to hear me because I've got a helmet on, but I've just ridden down here. This is the creek that we call it, and it's actually running for the first time in a couple of years maybe that we've been down here. I'm sure it's been running in between the times that we've been here, but we don't get down here very often, so it's sort of hard to catch it when it runs. But it's a cute little creek crossing. We drive over here and up the other side. If you keep going all the way across the property there, there's another, like a bigger sort of creek thing, which you can actually kind of swim in. I probably wouldn't, but you can if you really wanted to. It goes all the way down there. There's some bigger ponds down there which you could probably swim in, but it's a bit hard to get to because of all of these bushes. Here are blackberry bushes, and if you don't know anything about blackberry bushes, they fucking hurt and they are the biggest menace ever. They just grow and grow and grow. So we have to get down here regularly to spray those weeds so that they die, which is why some of them, pretty much all the ones over here, are kind of dead. But there's some fresh ones hanging around here because they've got the water right here, so it's easier for them to grow quicker. I am sweating like a motherfucker. And I have to wear my glasses under these fucking goggles, man. This shit sucks. But yeah, oh look, there's some cows over there. Hello, cows. But yeah, look at me, man, in my full get-up. I have to wear my glasses under this. How fucking shit is that? Because I can't see and I don't have contacts. So this is the best thing that I've got. Look at this beautiful beast. sleepy doggo. I got that. Howdy, partner. Woo! Setting up the targets. Hi! I can't put that in!
Oh, there go. Right here. Ready?
got that one. Good old Effie. This doesn't really work anymore. She's a bit fucked. That sounds fucked. Ah! Off you go.
We've got to pull the sleeves up. Jeez. Right.
Yeah, man, you got to listen to
The accents are bloody,
And this is what I wake up to. Fucking big ass huntsman on my wall. I wanna die.